Good morning or afternoon or evening, wherever you are. I'm gonna just do a simple what I eat in a day today. On a work day, I go into the office most days of the week, so I just want to show you guys what I eat today to be happy and healthy and all the good stuff. So talk to you soon. Bye. And this is what Charlie eats in a day. Our house plants. Charlie.
Do you miss me too? Maybe I can let it go. I won't miss you. Won't miss you. Do you miss me too? Maybe I can let it go. I won't miss you. Won't miss you. I won't miss you. Won't miss you. I won't miss you. Won't miss you.
Hi, thank you so much for watching. I usually have a salad for dinner, but you know, some days I just really don't feel like doing a full-on salad, so I just had a bunch of leftovers and stuff like that, as you guys saw. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe if you liked it, and I will see you soon. Bye.